Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can convert CAD to USD in IBKR. So first is by using the client portal or the website. So first you just have to log in to your IBKR client portal, and in the menu you have to click on transfer and pay, then tap on the currency conversion. So from there you just have to choose from currency, then put there CAD, then for the two currency is the USD. Then just enter the amount that you want to convert. And before that, you have to review the estimated conversion rate and any fees because IBKR usually uses tight spreads, so there is no hidden fees. Then after that, just click on convert, and then you will get notification of your trade execution almost immediately. So that's it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!